Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So I'm super excited about today's video. It's a little bit different. It's the holidays, guys, and I'm going to be showing you some holiday looks using three of my favorite wigs from HerGivenHair. So this is the first one, and it is their 3-in-1 half wig, guys. This wig has a lot of security with these combs inside, plus a drawstring. Yeah, so it's actually very snug on the head, and this is intended to be worn, as the name suggests, as a half wig. But of course, you know your girl, I'm going to defy all the odds, and I'm going to show you guys how you can wear it as a full wig. Now bear in mind, I'm going to be showing you two looks with each wig, so we're going to have 6 styles in all. This is the first. Of course, I am spritzing the wig with some water just to release and activate the curls. Well, not the curls, it is a kinky curly wig, but just to get rid of the tangles and stuff and get it softened a bit, I did that. So I'm swooping the hair over to one side, as you can see, for that cascading effect, and I'm using my bobby pins just to secure the hair. And guys, for these looks, bobby pins are your best friend. Okay, bobby pins. All right, so I'm just fluffing the hair to give it that desired volume and look, and to know exactly where I need to place each of those pins, and just fluff with the fingers. And guys, before you know it, this is a look. Okay, and of course I did leave some tendrils and curls on the other side just to give it that nice, very delicate girly look. Yeah, so this is the first look with the first wig. Yes, with the 3-in-1 half wig. I love the texture of it. It looks like 3 or 4B natural hair, and that is exactly the texture of my hair. And so yeah, holiday party, anyone? I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, so for the next look with this same wig, I'm just undoing the the previous style, and I'm just sectioning off a small portion of hair in the front, making sure that I get that out of the way for the second styling option. And for this look, I am actually doing something very simple. These styles are pretty simple, and that is what I love. Not because it's, for the holidays, it has to be, yeah, drama. It's no drama right here. So we're using a hair tie just to secure the back in a low ponytail. And for the portion in the front, I'm just, doing a ever so soft and loose flat twist all the way over to the other side of the head, and leave the hair end loose. And I'm just, of course, gonna draw for my bobby pin to pin it in place. Yes, yes. And that hairstyle is very simple, but it does, for some reason, have a touch of elegance to it. You can actually wear this hairstyle for any occasion, to be honest with you, but you can definitely pull it off for a holiday look. Yeah, but we are going to go in, of course, with a little bit of bling with this hair accessory. One of those elastic gold hair accessories, and I'm just using my crochet tool to weave it through just for a little embellishment on that front area, just to jazz it up a little bit and give it that holiday vibe. All right, so for the end, I'm just weaving that through, making sure we tuck it in, and voila, this is the actual end result of the final look of the style. And I tell you, simple, but it's also very dramatic. It's an oxymoron. And I love how nice and full that ponytail is in the back. Guys, you definitely can trick the crowd with this. It looks very realistic. Yes, not too much going on. And yes, so on to our next wig. Yes, this is the second one, and this is the all-in-one half wig. Yes, so this wig can be worn as a full wig also. So this has the combs inside and the drawstring, but it does have that little parting or illusion parting that enables you to wear it and give the illusion as if your hair is parted. Again, this hair is somewhat in a matted state, so I'm going to go in with the water to just loosen it a little bit. You can see the difference once the water is added. Fluff it out, and we are all set and ready to do style number 3 with wig number 2. Yes. All right, so guys, if you notice, I do like having these little cute little curls of sorts framing my face. So I did take those out and flat twisted one side, pinned it in place, and I'm doing this exact thing on the other side, just doing a flat twist or a roll, pinning that in place. And that, if that is not the easiest style you could ever do, then I don't know what is. Literally, this is literally in 2 minutes your hairstyle is done, and it actually looks cute. Come on now. It looks absolutely amazing, and it is easy to style, easy to wear. The length is perfect if you're not wanting to do too much, but you still want to look put together. Yes. So I could easily see myself, rocking this for the holidays. And yeah, on to the fourth look. Yes, with the same wig. So I'm actually doing 2 braids in the front. Yes, just braiding the hair down to the end on one side. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, do another braid. It does look like some silly braids right now, but trust the process, guys. It's going to come together. So I'm adding a little accessory, gold accessory at the end, and that will help to set off the look immediately. It changes the whole trajectory of the style, I tell you. And just as simple as that, just as elegant as that, the style is all transformed. Yes, simple. Most of the hair is out, but we're just adding that little braid detail in the front, coupled with that little hair charm, and immediately it does gives it that whole holiday element. All right, so guys, yay, cutesy. Yeah, nice. Love that one also. All right, so let's move into the third and final wig. Yes, and this is the Bye Bye Leave Out thin part wig. So this has a parting, guys, a very thin parting, and this has no lace. It definitely has no need to be glued. It has the clips on the inside, a generous amount of clips, guys. So this definitely will be secured. And I'm doing this one as a side parting just to change up the vibe a little bit. So I am aligning the part with my cornrows, or my part, just making sure that it looks as natural as is possible. So yeah, let's snap that in place really, really fast. And that's what I love about these wigs, guys. Anybody can install them. They are beginner friendly. They are easy to install. And guys, trust me, look at how the hair is transforming just by adding water. That's another plus. The hair doesn't take much maintenance at all. A little bit of water, and you are definitely on your way to having a beautiful hairstyle. All right, so I'm separating the back. And you see how dense and full these wigs are? I love that about them. All right, so I'm doing 2 ponytails, yeah, leaving a little bit of the hair out on that side, and using my hair tie just to loosely secure the ponytail. And guys, you're gonna see where this style is going. Just be patient. Yes. And I'm doing another ponytail on the other side. And I'm actually trying to do one ponytail, but I find that because it's a wig and you don't want to pull the hair too much, it's easier to do 2 individual ponytails loosely, then merge them together with the bobby pins. And that also gives me more length on the ponytail than I would if I tried to do one ponytail. And I left a little bit out in the front also, just to give it that, nice cascading curled look, yeah, framing my face and giving it a nice little elegant look. Yes. All right, so yeah, one more style, one final style, guys, And we are taking a section of hair, doing a braid again, back with the braid detail. Yes, and once I'm done with that braid, I'm just going to pin it. Again, remember I said the bobby pin is your friend, so pinning it in place with a couple bobby pins, and as if I couldn't just leave that and rock it as a style. But of course, we're going to up the ante by adding a little bit of bling with these clasps. Yes, these hair accessories. I'm just adding a couple of them on this side, and that absolutely immediately transforms and elevates the look. And I think this is probably my very favorite. I can see myself rocking it at any party, whether a casual or a more dressy one. And I will leave the links down below for all of these wigs, guys, in case you want to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you for checking out today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you on my next one. Bye.